today we are going to make the pumpkin chocolate chip cookies. We love these so much and we make them every year. They're basically like an oatmeal chocolate chip cookie but with pumpkin in them. And so since they're cookies and they're relatively easy, I'm going to have James help me. Say hi, James.
Hi.
So we'll see how this goes. But they are so good. And yeah, so you do need a can of pumpkin. Obviously, you won't use the entire thing, but okay, let's look at the recipe, James. Okay, so we are gonna put 2 sticks of butter in the, can you open these?
One.
Okay, so you guys will do one each, and then we'll put 2 sticks of butter into the mixer.
Smells good. Can you eat butter raw?
You can eat butter. It just, I don't think many people like to eat it plain. Okay, I'm gonna throw it in there. So we made these for the first time, like, I think it was like 3 years ago when I found this magazine. And here, I'll get you a top. And we were like, I think we were up in Maine, and I was just wanting to bake. James was so little at that time. But they were so good that I kept the recipe. And we make them every year. So now we need 3/4 cup sugar, James.
I'll do one. He'll do the rest. I'll do that.
Okay, you do that one. Brother will do this one. Scoop it out. Can you scoop it? You gotta fill up that little cup all the way to the top.
1/2. A half cup.
Good. Here, let's use a spoon and fill up the rest, okay?
Okay, I'll get mine. Give me it.
Okay, fill up your bowl.
I got it on the first try.
Good job, Harrison. Here, I'll take it. Couple more spoonfuls. What's it say after that? What's it say, Harrison? Can you read that?
Until light and fluffy.
Just mix the sugar and the eggs?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, that's
Okay. We gotta take a little bit of that. It's a little too
Aren't you
cold.
gonna still read it just so I
Okay,
know?
now we're good.
Can you read it so I know what I'm doing?
Yep. Okay, we're gonna beat for 5 to 7 minutes until light and fluffy. Okay, so I got a little distracted. We forgot the brown sugar, so I'm gonna throw in.
I like my hands.
Your hands are sticky? Where's the towel? Here you go.
You need
Can you give me a wipe, Harrison, so I can clean up this partial egg on here? Here, don't touch this part. Let me get the egg cleaned up. So we need 3/4 cup brown sugar, Harrison. So now we are putting in we put in the egg. I had to backtrack a little because I forgot the brown sugar. So we added the brown sugar, the egg, and now we're doing 1 teaspoon of vanilla, which James is gonna pour in. Okay, ready, go, woo! Good job. Okay, now we gotta mix that a little bit. Watch it.
Hey, it doesn't cover my head if I stand up. Me too. It smells good.
Smells like vanilla.
Did you know
Can you smell this one?
Did you know that you can eat some types of batter raw?
Yeah. Okay, guys, now we're gonna mix the dry ingredients together. Okay.
Ingredients? What? Like the flour, the baking soda, the cinnamon, and the oats. Those are all dry.
Okay, we need 2 cups of flour. Okay. I'm just gonna do 1.5 cups here. Just so you can get
I
this.
wish I could touch the flour.
You can touch it, but
I'll smoothen it out.
No, that won't.
The flour. Touch the flour. flour? It's in here.
Alright guys, we don't want to waste too much time. Okay guys, let me get this
It's
off.
snowing.
Where's the spoon out here, Sam?
It's right here.
Okay guys, no hands for a second.
Okay. Let's be fluffy.
Every time we have flour involved, it is a mess.
Because we like to touch it.
Okay, half cup. Where's that?
Soft.
The half cup, guys.
Half cup. Whoa.
Nope, we gotta leave that alone in the bowl.
I don't know where the half cup is. Ooh.
I think it's over here.
Put it back, James.
Is this? No, that's the 1 cup.
That's the fluffy.
Here we go.
Look at James.
I know, he's a disaster.
He's a master of disaster. That's the
Alright, so what's next?
I can't see.
Okay, what's next?
That's the fluffy. That's the fluffy.
So we need to combine, so we're combining the flour, baking soda, oats, and cinnamon. Hey, easy. Alright, we need 1 cup of oats, James.
Can I do the oats? Okay. Can I do the oats?
You can do the next things.
Oh, I wish I could.
Okay, James, pour that into the bowl.
Okay.
This one.
Whoa.
Nice. Okay. Now, Harrison gets to do the baking soda and the cinnamon.
Yay, I get to do 2 things.
Here you go. No. No more hands in the bowl.
Okay.
No more hands in the bowl.
This one? Or which one?
What's it say? What's it say?
Teaspoon.
1 teaspoon of both.
We need that. 1 teaspoon. James,
Hey.
don't put your hand in
You
everything.
gotta keep your hands to yourself for a minute. I know it's hard. Just gotta keep your hands to yourself. And guess what? You get to put the pumpkin in.
Yay, that pumpkin. James, take it out.
Yeah, this one.
Yay. Now I gotta do the cinnamon.
Okay. Do you like these cookies, James?
Oops, that was a little overboard.
That's okay. Here, we'll just do this. Hold it down. That's fine. Okay?
Ow, you're stepping on my foot.
Oh, my knees on your foot?
Yeah. Oh my gosh. You're making a mess.
Well, that's what happens. Okay. Now,
Fluffy, fluffy, fluffy.
let's see what the recipe says. I can read with all the cinnamon on it. Okay. Hang on, James.
Stop it, James.
All right, listen.
I love you so much.
Oh my gosh, you guys crack me up.
Oh, I love you so
And-
much.
You love him so much?
Let me go, James.
Okay, so then we're just gonna put this dry mixture in and alternate with a cup of pumpkin. Yeah, so one cup. Hey James, it's pumpkin time.
Good. Oh wait, the super with the check. No, James. No.
Okay, so now James is scooping the cup of pumpkin.
Into the
Okay.
bowl.
We're scooping the pumpkin into.
And just keep it over there.
Okay. Okay.
We didn't have any time to show them this.
Oh, this?
Yeah. No, this.
You can talk to him. Well, I gotta help James here because this
I don't
is
like
going a little crazy.
gooey.
Scoop a ton of it out. There you go. Bam. You got it. Good job. Okay. Now, let me put these oats in here and we're going to mix it. A little bit of the dry ingredients and then a little bit of the pumpkin. into the pumpkin mixture. And I meant to say with the pumpkin, make sure you don't put a whole can of it in. Hey, scooch for a second. Make sure you don't put a whole can of it in, only a cup, because I put a whole can one time and it was too moist. So just make sure it's a cup, not the full can. So, okay, James, put those in. Ready?
I do it.
Okay, just be careful.
Oops. Now we can eat some
Put
chocolate.
them a little bit. No, put the rest.
Yeah, yummy.
Okay, then we're gonna mix these together. Scoop them onto the cookie sheet, and then we will bake them. It's 350 for 10 to 12 minutes, so we'll see you here shortly. Scoop our cookie dough onto the cookie sheet.
And it's a little tricky.
If you want to just use your hands, it's okay, but as long as they're clean. Let's roll them up. I'm going to use the spoon technique here. Smells super good.
Oop, that's a little.
And just make sure you leave a little space in between. We'll do 3 rows, okay?
Okay. Like we did 4 in 3 rows last time, so we have 12 cookies.
Yeah. So 2 more on that one.
Now,
I think this time, we've already made these once. I think this time we're going to try to take some to work and school to, so we don't eat all of them.
I'm not sure about taking them to school.
Well, thankfully they don't have any nuts in them. A lot of kids have nut allergies. So.
Oh, and by the way, they have a bunch of signs called "We are a peanut-free classroom."
Yeah, they don't want you bringing any nuts to school. Okay, one more. I got it.
They don't even have peanut butter and jelly sandwiches.
Okay, so go wash your hands.
I can wash.
Oh, I think one of these cookies needs a little bit more. It's kind of
Oh,
too tiny. Okay. Okay, gonna put these in the oven and we'll show you them when we're done. Okay, so we're gonna try a cookie. All right, James, which one do you want?
the best that I like this tiny one.
Okay, I'm gonna try this one.
Some of them can crack easily.
Okay, let's all take one bite. Ready?
I'll take this tiny one.
Okay, here we go.
1,
2,
3.
Super yummy. The moistness of them is just right. So that means we didn't add too much
More
sugar.
to them? There's crumbs in them.
Crumbs? Yeah, well there's oatmeal and flour.
And
Yummy, yummy, yummy.
And there's crumbs.
Yeah, because some of the crumbs fell down.
Huh?
Alright.
I'm done.
Alright, well, I hope everyone enjoys these. Making them, maybe you'll make them with your kids.
So I think we'll come back.
And I will try to add the recipe for you so you can make it if you didn't want to watch the whole video, or I probably didn't even give all the instructions, but I will include the recipe for you so you can make it at home.
Right? No.
James, can you say bye?